Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this super cool pillow for your neck for when you're traveling. We're about to travel to Japan, and I needed something like this that can hold my head straight, because you know what happened when you're on the plane. Like you start like doing like this and then like that, and probably just like doing on the person on the right side or the left side. So having something like this, I think it is super beneficial because not only it's super compact, as you can see, so you can actually put it anywhere you want, but also it comes with this section right here, this is the one that is going to keep your head straight. That's going to be the one that is going to keep it in place. By the way, it also comes with a cover with a zipper so you can wash it if you want. But all this section, it has this memory foam, but the sides are the one that are kind of like the hard one. So the way that this one is going to work, you're going to put it like this, and you can see that this one, you can feel that these ones are kind of like already grabbing and making a support for my chin right here. That's the most important thing. And then you're going to put this one right here. And what you're going to do, you're going to adjust it and you're all set. Check this out. My head, it's in place, staying still. I can't go to the sides. I can't go back because it's gonna kind of like block right here with my chin. And the most important thing, I can't just like go anywhere past this point because it's just like holding this with this section right here, which is the one that is gonna keep it in place. But then I can rest if you want. I can just like lay down. I can just go to the left and the right and all that without having to kind of like bounce my head or something like that. And of course, it's also really comfy. I have to say that the memory foam holds really good, as well as being compact for also traveling. I like it. This is gonna be my main or my actually must have for the Japan trip for sure.